What is financial literacy? In this video, I'm going to answer just that in under 5 minutes. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use various financial skills. This video provides a quick overview of 5 key aspects of financial literacy and the starting point for each of those 5 key aspects. This way, you can decide which of these 5 areas you want to focus on and learn more about. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm also going to share with you 2 books and 1 YouTube channel that are fantastic resources to help you learn more about these topics and advance your financial literacy. Let's dive right into it. Budgeting. If you have ever found yourself looking at your bank account and wondering where your money went, a budget can help. The most common cause of financial problems is spending more than you are earning. You can start by understanding income and expenses, creating a budget to manage the spending and savings, and prioritizing financial goals. You can create a budget using a pen and paper, an Excel sheet, or online tools and apps. I have a dedicated video on my channel about how to step-by-step create a budget. You can find a link in the description. Credit scores and reports. Credit is a major factor in today's economy and is your reputation as a borrower. This is especially important when it comes time to rent an apartment, finance a car, buy a house, or even find a job. The sooner you start building your credit profile, the better off you will be in the future. A credit report is a detailed report of your credit history. It has personal information, employment history, and a list of open and closed credit accounts. A credit score is a snapshot of your credit risk at a point in time based off of your credit report. Lenders often charge higher interest rates when taking on higher risk. So, a low credit score means a more expensive loan. Conversely, a higher credit score means a less expensive loan. With a solid credit history, you can pay less for many credit products like private loans, credit cards, insurance, auto loans, and mortgages. You can start by knowing how credit scores are calculated, monitoring and managing credit reports, and understanding the impact of credit on financial health. Saving and investing. Figuring out how to secure your financial well-being is one of the most important things you can do. For most people, the path to financial security is with saving and investing. If you automate saving and investing even a small amount, you are building a foundation for financial success. Here are some tips on getting started with saving and investing. Saving. Building an emergency fund for unexpected expenses. Saving for short-term and long-term goals, and understanding compound interest and the time value of money. Investing. Knowing different investment options such as index funds and ETFs. Understanding risk and return, and diversifying a portfolio to manage risk. Taxes. By being proactive and informed about taxes, you can optimize your financial situation and avoid unnecessary tax charges. You can start by understanding the basics of income taxes, knowing deductions and credits available, learning how you can take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts such as 401k and IRAs, and planning for tax implications in financial decisions. Debt management. Commit to avoiding new debt. Your focus should always be on saving, investing, and paying off debt. There are several methods for paying off debt, such as snowball method and avalanche method. But you can start by differentiating between good and bad debt, understanding interest rates and credit terms, and developing strategies to repay and avoid debt. Earlier in the video, I promised I would also share with you 2 books and 1 YouTube channel that are the best resources to help you learn more about these topics. So tip number 1 is The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book is extremely easy to understand and literally is a roadmap to financial success and building wealth, even if you're starting from below zero. Tip number 2 is another book, Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. In this book, Robbins also outlines 7 steps to achieving financial freedom and mastering the game of money. Tip number 3 is a YouTube channel, The Ramsey Show. You can watch full episodes of The Ramsey Show on his official YouTube channel. You will learn how to handle money, career advice, navigating relationships, plus tons of other life-changing content. I personally believe Ramsey's method is very effective and easy to apply. You can find the links to the books that I mentioned and Ramsey's YouTube channel in the description. And in keeping with that theme, if you'd like to know what are the top 5 books, podcasts, and influencers that can significantly help you on your path to financial success, you should check out this video. And that was financial literacy in hopefully less than 5 minutes. And as always, please don't forget to leave your questions and recommendations in the comments and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next week's video. And I will see you there.